Morning students, I'm your English teacher Shabana. Today we will do Let's Try Now. That is in your second chapter, Pengu Pretends. In this exercise, you have to write a paragraph on your book. Okay? In this exercise, yes students, take out your English book, course book volume 1 and open page number 22. Okay students? This is the page number 22 and now we will read the paragraph. Okay, in this paragraph Pengu says, when I grow up I want to be a pilot. Why I want to be a pilot? Why? Because she wants to fly in the sky. She wants to fly in the sky and she wants to fly to new cities and countries every day. Okay students, and she want to fly to Kenya in Africa. She wants to fly to Kenya in Africa and takes a picture of giraffe and lions. Okay, and she wants to visit Nepal and trek up to the base of Mount Everest, and she wants to zoom into Egypt and see the famous pyramids. She wants to see what the mighty ocean look like from the sky. Oh yes, she wants to be a pilot for that. Okay, इसके लिए पेंगू जो है वो पायलट बनना चाहता है. Okay, पेंगू पायलट बनना चाहता है. And now you have to write a paragraph. Here. What do you want to be when you grow up? ओके, जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो आप क्या बनना चाहते हो एंड वाई, एंड यू हैव टू गिव द रीजन हियर. ओके, you have to, first of all you have to write what do you want to be when you grow up, and you have to write why do you want to be that, वो आप क्यों बनना चाहते हो. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to write the lines roughly. Okay students, you have to write some lines roughly in your rough notebook. How? Okay students, now I will teach you how to write a paragraph. But first of all I want to share my views, what I want to be from my childhood. मैं अपने बचपन से क्या बनना चाहती थी? Yes students, I wanted to be a teacher from my childhood. Okay students, but why? Because I love children, I like children, I like school and all the activities in school, and I like smell of books. I love reading. Okay students, and I am very curious about the things. Okay, I want to know each and everything around me. So that's why I like reading, because reading से ही हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों का पता लगता है. That's why I want to be a teacher. And students, remember this thing always. You should read the book daily. आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ों का, न्यू वर्ड्स का, न्यू एटिकेट्स का, मैनर्स का आपको बुक से ही पता चलता है. ओके, यू शुड read a page daily of your English book, and if you read daily, then you will be able to read and write and speak English. Okay students? Okay, now we will start. Okay, let's try 9. First of all I will write some lines on the board. Okay, on me. First of all I will write some lines like this. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. Okay, I want to be a teacher because, yes students, we will have to give some reason here why I want to be a teacher, कि मैं क्यों बनना चाहती हूँ. Okay, because the first line, I like children. Okay, I like children because I like children. And I am curious. What is the meaning of curious students? Eager to know. भी जानने की जब बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ायर हो जाती है, that is the curious. Okay, I am curious about the things learn something new. कुछ भी नया जानने के लिए, कुछ भी नया सीखने के लिए मैं बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ. ओके, दिस इज द सेकेंड रीजन. ओके, एंड थर्ड, I like smell of books. I like smell of books. I like smell of books and I like smell of books. मुझे books की smell बहुत पसंद है. And students, English. I like English and I like school and all the activities in school. Okay, I like these things. That's why I am a teacher now. Okay, I wanted to be a teacher from my childhood because I like children. मुझे बच्चे बहुत पसंद हैं. I am curious about the thing and learn something new, and I like smell of books, I like English, and I like school and all the activities in school. Okay student, these are the lines we can write roughly in the notebook first. After that we will क्या करेंगे? We will convert these lines into paragraph. How? I will teach you now. Friends, I will erase the lines from here because the board don't have enough space here. That's why I am erasing it. Okay students, now we will make a paragraph of those lines. Okay, first of all we will write when I grow up. Okay, when I grow up, put a comma. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. Okay, I want to be a teacher. Then put a full stop. Okay students, now you have to give the reason for this. Okay, because that's why you have to write because. You will have to write because I love learning, because I love learning. Because I love learning about new things. Okay, I had written this line. Hello, I love learning about new things as I teach. I will learn new things Okay students, you can write the lines like this. Okay, when I grow up, put a comma after that, and I want to be a teacher or doctor because I love learning about new things as I teach. I will learn new things too. Okay, and some more lines. Now we will have to add some more lines. I love. The next line was I love the smell of. I love the smell of. Yes, I love the smell of books. है ना? I love the smell of books. Okay, and then stop, and the joy of writing and I love English. I have written this line before some time, I love English and will be able to read and write. Will be able to read and write and teach to my heart content. Teach to my heart's content. Okay, students, I think school is fun. And I never want to leave. So the best way is to become a teacher. Okay, students, you can write these lines and you can write any other line as you want. Like when I grow up, I want to be a teacher because I love learning about the new things. And you can write when I grow up, I want to be a doctor. Okay, students, because I love learning about new things. And you can write as you want. Okay, students, you have to make a paragraph in your course book and complete Let's Try 9. And remember this thing always, you have to write the paragraph in your own words. अपने words में write करना है because you will want anything else, है ना? आप कुछ और बनना चाहते होगे, है ना? Because I want to be a teacher, that's why I wanted to be a teacher from my childhood, that's why I am writing I want to be a teacher. Okay, students, and this is your homework. You have to complete this exercise. Let's try 9 in your book. And students, stay home, keep safe. Bye bye.